Hello guys, are you a video creator or a content creator who is constantly wondering in which platform I should invest? Invest their videos, invest their times. Whether YouTube monetization or Facebook monetization, which is the better platform to maximize your earnings? So hello guys, welcome back to the channel of GetAssist, and in today's video, I'm going to answer this simple question of yours, which platform earnings are better? So stick with it and let's see which platform is better. But before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell icon so that whenever we upload something new, you will be the first one to come across that video. So if we talk about YouTube or Facebook, both the platform plays a very crucial role in the matter of monetization. Both platforms provides you an opportunity to earn really good from your content or from your videos. So the main question that arises, which platform is great to get the best bang of your buck? So I'm going to break down the differences of earnings on both the platforms, on YouTube as well as on Facebook. We'll compare their user bases, monetization models and earning potential, giving you a clear picture of where you can maximize your revenue. So what you have to do is you have to stick around till the end of this video to find out which platform might be the best solution of maximizing your earnings so that your content should give you that much amount that you deserve. We all know YouTube is owned by Google. It has over 2 billion login users per month, making it one of the world's biggest video sharing platform globally, right? And if we talk about Facebook, Facebook is owned by Meta. Though it's not a video sharing platform completely, we started with photo sharing and all of that kind of stuff, but it has also billion login users per month and it can differentiate other platforms. But the major question that arises right now is a Facebook really a video sharing platform, and how many users basically watch that video content daily? What do we have to do now is let's go for the eligibility aspects. So a YouTube view considered to be of 30 seconds after it can get eligible for monetization, as well as on the Facebook, wherever you click on the video after 3 seconds, that counts a view. But for monetization aspect, a user should watch your video like apart from 1 minute or more than 1 minute, so that it will be considered for monetization basis. So this fundamental difference can significantly impact your analytics and engagement. So now let's dive into eligibility criteria for monetization of both the platforms. On YouTube, creators need to join the YouTube Partner Program, that is YPP, which require at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. You should have known it, right? On the other hand, Facebook requirements for monetization are slightly different. For in-stream ads, creators typically needs 10,000 followers and at least 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long, and that in also in a period of 2 months. So in Facebook, you need much more scale in matter of followers, in matter of watch hours, and in less time period, that is only up to 2 months. Guys, if we break down the monetization structure, so it will be like this. In YouTube, we have already discussed in the earlier videos, as we have ads. The most common revenue type where earnings are based on CPM, cost per mile, and the number of views. Then comes channel memberships. Fans and subscribers can pay a monthly fees to get connected with the creators more effectively, engage with the creators more effectively, and they just have to pay a small negligible charge that any follower, any subscriber, any fan can do so. And then we have super chats and super stickers. You have majorly seen it over the streamers app. Whenever the influencer or the content creator is live and they stream the video towards the audience, they do super chats and super stickers. So basically it's a phenomenon, it's a process, it's a way by which a fan or a subscriber can donate or can contribute some amount of money so that his message, his relevance, his question, anything you want to post or anything you want to ask from the creator, it get highlighted because we have paid some price. So that's all for the super chat, and to get highlighted by the content creator of yours, it is very effective. And then the very last but not the least, we have merchandise. Yes, a content creator can sell their merchandise, for example a t-shirt, any object that resembles with the YouTube channel. For example, if a channel is all about cars, then the video creator or the content creator of that particular channel can sell the merchandise related to car, automobile parts, or just like car cleaner, wash cleaner, car perfume, and anything extra. But in other scenarios, merchandise can vary from different platforms, from clothing to lifestyle to decor. anything. Whereas in Facebook too, we have different option to earn. Firstly, in-stream ads. So Facebook ads or in-stream ads are basically very similar to the YouTube ads, but in this we focus on mid-roll ads in longer videos. For example, if you are watching any video, the ad that comes in between the videos are called mid-range videos or mid-roll ads for longer videos, so that you can have that monetization process going on and the views counts itself. Again, like a YouTube fan subscription, monthly subscription for exclusive content and benefit, it is already present on the Facebook site. Any one of you who use Facebook for monetization purpose and who already did the monetization should know this, and I know you know that. So if you know it briefly, you can just comment it down below and let our users, let our audience know that how it actually works. Then comes Stars, a virtual tipping system where fans can support creators during live streams, similar to Super Chat. The last one is different. On YouTube, you sell your own merch on partnered merch, where in Meta on Facebook, you have brand collabs manager. Yes, you heard it right. You have brand collab manager. So it helps creator to get indulged with the maximum brands, to get sponsored with the brands. Means different kinds of collab from different merch owners or product owners and earning more. It's not like that you cannot have your original merchandise selling over the board or over the platform. You can have that, but on the majority of the basis, you collab with the brands. Even if you talk about other Meta platforms, just like an example of Instagram, in Instagram, you do so. You promote your own brand, but majority you collab with other brand owners so that they can sponsor the content and you give them the engagement that they really want. Now let's dive into potential earning methods of both platforms, that is CPM and CPC. The amount you earn 1,000 views, that is CPM, on per click, that is CPC, can vary widely based on factors like niche, audience, demographics, and the time of year. For instance, technology channels often see higher CPMs compared to lifestyle or gaming channels. On average, YouTube CPM can vary up to $0.25 to $4, while Facebook in-stream ads offer a slightly lower CPM, typically ranging from $0.10 to $3. It is slightly less than the YouTube one, so you get it now, right? Certain niches such as finance, tech, and education tend to attract higher paying ads. Audience location also matters. Viewers from countries with higher advertising rates like the United States or Canada generally bring in more revenue than the other parts of the country or other countries where the CPM is slightly lower than the other one. If you go towards the support from both the platforms, the creator tools provided. So YouTube analytics are way more better than the Facebook one because it gives you the idea of how many people watch your video with a better understanding and how much they are liking your videos, in what basis they are liking your videos. If like, is the targeting audience really getting something from your content? How many viewers are coming directly towards your content and the repeated users and like etc, etc. It's detailed analytics, allowing creators to track everything from audience retention to demographic retention or demographic views. Facebook analytics focus more on how people interact with your post. Offering robust analytics is often more geared towards social interaction metrics. YouTube provides a wealth of resources through its Creator Academy, community posts, and direct support for its partners. While Facebook, on the other hand, offers a Creator Studio, which combines insights and tools across both Facebook and Instagram, providing a centralized hub for managing content and engagement. So let's talk about brands and sponsorship. If you talk about sponsorship and brand deals, then YouTube's longer form content often lends itself more in depth with product integrations, while Facebook integrated social experience can be appealing for brand engagement and real-time interaction. You got the point, right? In YouTube, you likely have that much longer format of the video, and for that you need collaborations and selling merchandise, as I've talked to you earlier, the other ways of getting monetized and how you can maximize your wealth. While in the Facebook one, you collab with the brands, you promote their brands, they provide you sponsorship, and you give them the engagement that they really want. So it's basically vice versa kind of scenarios. You got it right. But it also happens with the brands. Brands may choose one platform over the other based on target demographics, engagement metrics, and the nature of content. For example, a tech reviewer on YouTube might earn significant ad revenue and secure lucrative sponsorships, while a freestyle blogger on Facebook could leverage the platform's social features to build a strong fan base and sell exclusive content. In my opinion, regardless of the platform, here are some tips to maximize your earning in the ongoing future or in the ongoing run or for a longer run. So stick with it. Engage your audience to make a loyal community. Optimize content and learn from it. Diversify revenue streams and don't just rely on partners program and stay updated with your content. Both YouTube and Facebook offer viable paths to monetization. The best platform for you in the last but not the least, it depends on your content, your engagement, what kind of audience you are targeting, your continuity, your dedication, and what kind of creativity you are putting inside your video. It depends on you basically. While YouTube may offer higher ad revenue potential, especially for niche content, while Facebook excels in real-time engagement and social interaction. So which platform are you leaning towards and in what niche? Let us know. So this is all the brief that I can deliver to you. At the last, it depends on you whether to choose Facebook or YouTube. Because in YouTube, you have this long format kind of video in which you can directly target your audience and make a community of it. While in Facebook, they deal with the real-time engagement with the friends. You started YouTube way much after the Facebook because it is in our childhood memory to reestablish that Facebook memory when we used to interact with our friends live, directly, and without any hustle and without any fuss. But at the last, it depends on you which platform you are leaning towards. Just let me know in the comment box you find YouTube more advanced and more interactive and for betterment of your maximize monetization and income, or is it Facebook? Just let me know your answer in the comment box and we'll see which wins, like which platform wins exactly. And that's all for today's video. If you like this kind of content, if you like this video, if you find this video informative and pretty much useful, then just give it a thumbs up. Share this video among your creative friends who really want to know, who just want to start their journey but are confused whether to choose YouTube or Facebook. So that's all for today's video. I'm gonna meet you in next one.